ngayon sa airport and we are going to check in our cake. Ito na naman ako sa mga cake. Nakaka-happy naman kasi talaga ang mga cakes, sweets, cupcakes, ganyan. We've gotten ready with games. We've gotten ready with naughty cakes. And we've reserved at my friend's resort sa El Nido. So, I'm meeting up with the team. I have to check in. So, gotta go. See you later. Walang alam si Jenny kasi mga surprise cake na. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that all of my stories feature this amazing place. One of my most favorite places in the world, Palawan. And 3 days ago, I was right here in El Nido and na-miss ko talaga ang El Nido. I missed it so much and I love it so much. It could not get out of my head. I couldn't get this place out of my head. I found an excuse to come here only 3 days after my first trip. It is my digital handler, Jenica's bachelorette, because she's getting married in 4 days. So we decided to come back to the beach to throw a little beachillerette for her. So ito na nga, hindi na ako mapaghintay. Binook ko na agad-agad ang beach trip ko back to this wonderful place, El Nido. And I want to thank Ancla Resort. Yes, that's Seb. He's with us today, and so is Ral. So I'm so excited to be here with my whole digital team. I wanted them to experience my favorite destinations of all time, El Nido, and all of these islands that we're going to be hopping to. I want to take you guys along. You have to come with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog because for the first time ever, I'm going to be taking you on a little tour and showing you my El Nido. And we only have 48 hours, so let's go.
Welcome drink.
Parang gasolina. O Jenica, inumin na natin to. Mas matagal pa sa relasyon ko. Cheers to giving me hope in marriage kasi talaga. But I believe in you talaga.
Ikaw talaga.
Shot ba? I love you, Jen.
Three,
Okay.
two.
Hindi. One shot. Tikim lang.
Chat.
Kinakabahan ako.
Parang mas kabado pa ako.
Parang
dito
feeling ko
kaysa sa kasal.
mabubutas.
Baka mabutas lang.
Taste lang.
Taste lang.
Lumutang yung kaluluwa ko. Lumabas sa
Kaya mo yan na.
Grabe, umiinit yung katawan ko.
Parang kilig.
Kinilig daw siya.
Guys, this is the first day of the last 3 days of Jenica's singlehood. So, wait a minute. Last day ko na rin parang single. Charot! Who is he?
Parang na last day kayo lahat. Ako lang ta.
So, kailangan ko ng sweetness sa life ko. Kaya nanghahanap ako ng something sweet. I think I have just the perfect sweets for this trip. To start this trip. This is prepared by Jaja's cousin. Just for you! Dessert time! Open mo na!
Thank you for the surprise. At dahil dyan, hindi makuha.
Okay, perfect yan for Casey because
It's bootylicious.
Wow! Straight from the bride! Just for you, Jenica.
For Ral, syempre, alam naman natin kung anong gusto ni Ral.
That girl.
Okay, Ral.
oh my God, bakit yan din? Pero gusto ko nga ito.
Good to go na.
Parang. The best.
Kings kayo. Mga may jowa kayong lahat. Di ako makarelate. Of course, cannot start without the best shots. And so, let's take some of my favorite shots. These are called the gunpowder shots. Jenica! This is your wedding of the century. Pa-fireworks tayo for Jenica. Yes! celebrating you as you. Huwag mong nakalimutan kung sino ka. And, you know, this is your time to really remember who you are as a woman more than as a wife. So, this is to celebrate Jenica. So, this trip is
Thank you, Kate.
We love you, Jen!
And right now, we are being welcomed by the GM of the resort. His name is...
Francisco.
Hindi naman nun. Francisco. So, Jenica is getting married in 4 days. So, this is her, like, despedida de soltera. Like, her bachelorette.
She's getting married, so... Bye, Jenica. Here, I'm not getting married.
Bye, Jenica. Hello, Rat. Guys, tomorrow night, number 1.
Thank you so much.
Welcome home. Welcome to my home. Welcome to day 2. Today is island hopping day and we've customized 3 of our islands today. Surprise natin kay Jenica. Every island, naririnig niya ako, guys. Every island has a game. So meron kaming mga dalang toys and games care of Ral. Kung ano yung mga toys na yun or games na yun, I think bawal ipakita sa YouTube, but anyway, gets nyo yes. So, we're gonna wear our masks now. We're going to El Nido town, or actually the port, to dock sa ating boat. And this is... Hello! Kuya AJ! Our, main man. Yan. See you later, guys! The reason bakit nag-stop tayo dito is because naamoy ko yung amoy ng kape na sobrang love na love ko. And right now, we're here in El Nido Town. Gustong-gusto ko talagang lumuwas ng resort para makita kung anong meron dito sa El Nido. And of course, the very first stop that I had to make were the coffee shops. And sinuwerte tayo guys kasi dito sa street na to, magkaharap tong dalawang coffee shop. We have Pugad behind me and we have Lick right here. So let's see the difference between these 2 coffee shops. I'm so excited. Oh my God, you guys, ang bango-bango dito na may yung coffee. And I wanna know more about Lick. Bakit Lick?
Lost Island Center for Cafe.
Lost Island Center for Cafe. Ang cute! They roasted themselves. Diba? That's special eh. This is an artisan coffee shop.
Ito yung galing sa Mount Apo.
Ang bango.
Shot.
Ano?
Coffee shop.
Oh my God, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Iba talaga pag specialty coffee. Worth it. Tsaka suwabe lang yung tama. Yung tama pala yung hinanap.
What is this, Francis?
This is coffee from Pugad. It's a shop in front. It's our window coffee shop. So you just pass by, you have a small fish there.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Jaco, for welcoming us dito sa Lake. And, alam niyo naman, everyday naman ang meets sa cafe. Diba? See you!
Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys! Oh, and just in front, by the way, guys, is Pugad. So, Pugad over here, they call it a slow bar menu. So, I guess, opposite ng fast food drive-thru. Okay. So, ito na si... What's your name? Kate. You got me at AeroPress, Kate. Can you tell us more about the AeroPress and why it's good for brewing coffee?
Sure. So for coffee kasi the taste of the coffee that comes out differs depending on the brew method. And with the AeroPress, it's a combination of both pressure and immersion. So the coffee that comes out is something that's clean but the notes are highlighted compared to when you use pour over
Or French press,
or a
diba?
French press. Yeah.
So, ako, personally, I like this AeroPress kasi mas lumalabas yung mga flavors na nandyan sa coffee bean.
So we're Pugad by Luxo. Luxo kasi is a manual brew bar that goes around the Philippines. And it just so happened na last March we got stuck here. Kasi lumukso kami papunta dito. Tapos, gumawa na kami ng Pugad namin dito since we really like the place.
So, Pugad, tinawag na ng Pugad yung shop kasi nga, nag-nest na kayo dito for 1 year na halos, di ba? So this is the inverted press, right?
Yes, it's the inverted press.
Ah, may alam ako!
Kailangan din bilangin yung seconds na nagpupulo na.
So ilang seconds na po?
It depends on your recipe, pero ako usually around 30 seconds push. Hindi siya yung dire-diretsong magpupush kasi may possibility na ma-over-extract yung coffee. So, iba din yung lasa.
30 seconds. Nanalo talaga. Siya na ang bride. Bigay nanalo na guys.
Naunahan na kami, Mag.
Drown you, right?
Boy, shallow water. Para makababa tayo sa...
May valet parking dito?
Pay parking. Or park at your own risk.
Grabe, tingnan niyo yung water na to. Parang painting.
Sa bracket water, salt na. Fresh water.
So, brackish water. Mix ng salt water at fresh water. So, halo siya ng tubig, alat, and tubig. Oh my God, may isang nag-swimming, tumalon. What's fresh water sa Tagalog again? Tabang. Halo siya ng tubig, alat, at tubig tabang.
Hindi tubig at langis. By Sharon Colette.
Tubig at tabang. Ay, so inaangkla.
Ay, ayun na yung angkla. Di ba?
Akala ko naman whale.
Wait po tayo nagpa-park, guys. Atras pa, kuya.
Ted! 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 Ted!
Sagad mo pa, sagad pa.
Jenica, parang iba yung pagkakaintindi ko dun sa sagat mo. Jenica, parang iba yun.
Welcome po na. This is the Cadlao Lagoon, but this is the part of Cadlao Island, okay? And by the way, my name is Albert. I'm your tour.
Ano ba yan?
Tara mo, itara! Tara mo, girl!
Go Jen! Go Jen!
Sanay na sanay si Jenica! Oh my God!
Ba't sa'yo na sanay si Jenica?
Tayo pa kayo!
Go, go, go!